Hey, how about a sound check?
Hey, hi. How'd that work? Yeah, okay.
All right.
So we're getting ready to do ribs, y'all.
Wreck me, baby.
You wanna come film? I'm handing the camera off.
Lori literally is like National Enquirer of in it.
All right, the 2 stacks are mine, right?
Yes. And I remember to the super bendy?
Yeah.
You want 1 or 2, Bert?
Whatever you think looks prettier, baby.
Hello.
Oh, my damn.
You want 4 minutes on top?
I'm sorry.
No. Go right ahead.
Bam.
We're trying to get all the goodies.
So, I'm not sure what it'll be a hog, it'll be a different hog.
And then,
I don't know.
I thought I had some.
And,
Nope. I think all the pork steaks gone. Yep.
Anything different to do with this?
Well, yeah, but we don't have scissors. It's coming apart, ain't it?
You know what? So, with what we have here,
We use it second flag. Okay.
we're covered, right?
Yeah, about 3 or 4 of those.
That's back in there.
and so,
What do you want me to do? Fold it, take it in there? Okay.
The next rack, I'm slicing those. Fresh, hot, tender, juicy ribs.
What?
Fresh, hot, tender, juicy ribs.
Yeah, that's what I've been waiting for.
Hey, Bert.
Hey, Molly, get one of those and tell me what you think, Molly.
Hey, baby girl. Is that my girl, Tilly?
Yeah, Tilly's there.
Bones falling out
You
of
want some tomato cheese? Smoked cheese? Yep.
yeah, we'll try some.
Try them ribs. Y'all say it's yes or no. I need your honest opinion, sis.
Yep.
Jason Lynn.
We had some crackers somewhere up there.
Nobody's got chili. That's good.
Right there.
That's very good.
Cool. The rub and sauce on that rib
Right there.
is available for purchase right next door.
And there's some cookies right here if you want to buy some cookies that are
And if
amazing
anything ever
cookies.
happens to Molly, Tilly comes to me.
Yeah, I here's her dog mom. A dog got mom.
You have no idea what you've just done, Molly. Oh my God, it's the best day ever.
What you think, Jason?
Those are beautiful.
Oh yeah, those cut so much better.
Look at the color.
Let me get our plate.
My Bella was the sweetest.
I need my hands. Which one is the rib plate?
The non-rib plate says outlaw on it,
Oh, wait.
on the top.
So get a half, 2, 4, and 2 on top.
6 coming up. Henry Parrish now will
Hell.
return to the
6.
Enough? There we go.
For shits and giggles.
Get that?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. I'm gonna run these in. Or do you want to take both of them at the same time?
We're going to take both of them at the same time. I haven't put mine together yet. I need a tray to put this on, James.
Hang on. There. Good.
All my products on there.
Those are good, Molly. Those are really good cookies.
Good.
Oh my
She also
God.
has
Did
some
we get him
shake pops and stuff, but they're in the cooler because it's gotten so
I got
warm.
a tray right here.
Here, give,
They just can't
get
stay
that
out.
one. Oh, meat.
All right.
Fourth down, about 7. Gotta get to close to the 40 to get a
Yes,
first
ma'am. Thank you.
twin receivers
Damn.
left and right.
Just damn.
Is it worth eating?
Oh.
Come on.
Oh my God.
Do I need to take the pork sticks off?
I'm fixing to take them off.
Molly, look.
Yeah.
Roll Tide.
Burp. I need some more.
You like that, Zen?
Yeah, one isn't enough for me. You just give me half the glass.
Sponsored by our friends at Mid-South Ag Equipment. That was a
No, I like it when you taste it, salt, and then you get a little kick and it goes away. It don't burn you up.
6th place, 61 yards in 2 minutes.
I would eat some wings or ribs, and I'd be burning out here, sweating, and just I don't. That's the spice, which is not real spice.
You hire what?
Bill Kimball spicy.
I mean, he's
Wow.
Put the phone
so
on it. Put the phone on
pretty.
it. Put the phone on it.
Wow.
You so pretty.
Oh, okay.
In the tip jar, and everything goes back to the post for the veterans.
Okay.
Now this is going to be our
outlaw
outlaw meat, so we're slicing these up for the
judges.
judges.
Oh, there you go. Well, good
Did you
luck.
get some of our stuff?
I did earlier. Yep. So
Hey, here's a rib if you want to try some ribs.
yeah, I'll try one rib.
Reach in there and just,
Okay, let me see.
Only if we can film your reaction.
yeah. There you go. I had some tongs somewhere. I don't know where
Yeah,
they
I don't
went.
want to.
Hang on. No.
Okay. Ooh,
Very
thank
good.
you. Yes.
Hopefully you like it. Did you get the put in the plate?
Yep.
Cool.
Oh, that is really
You
good.
like it?
Yes, very good.
Thank
you.
All right, the rub and the sauce that's on those ribs, the gentleman that makes them.
I did buy the sauce and the
Oh, my
dry
God.
rub. Yep.
Thanks.
It's really good. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. So we got both plates done? I'm please take them in. All right, I'm taking the plates in. I am taking the plates in. And the screen. They're going to lean against the door over here at the table first. Set it on my foot.
It's a lot of stuff to take to a cook-off. Why we do all that?
I don't know.
Oh, because we're focused on making good ribs and stuff. We almost done, brother. I think next time we do a cook-off, we need to just take one grill. Just one.
Had 1, 2, 3, and I had one, so we had 4 of them there.
Yes.
Well, they know.
Sorry about the noise, y'all. Sorry, not sorry.
I think the trailer's empty now.
We got 2 tents.
You gonna see what just happened a minute ago, y'all? See if it does it. Yeah.
It pops a wheelie. This one has wheels, Jamie.
Does it?
Flip over that way.
And of course, you have to flip it in the middle of the trailer.
I want to see it pop a wheelie.
Please don't do that no more. Oh! Ooh. Then we gotta rearrange all this crap.
Oh yeah.
Because this goes over where that is, and that goes over where this is, and that goes kind of catty corner that way.
Everything goes where it is not
And
right
these
now.
go inside, so.
Yeah, everything goes where it is not. I'll be right back. We got one more thing to grab.
Okay. We hadn't even cleaned the table up, y'all. It was a busy weekend. It was a very, very busy weekend, so he's getting the last little thing, and then ooh, that's a pretty sky tonight. And then this is gonna wrap us up for the rib episode. Whenever he gets here. So, like I said, we got to rearrange everything. Get everything in order.
This is the aftermath.
Yeah. What he just said. Oh, I guess I could have shut the gate, huh?
Oh, it's all right. I got it. I got it. Trying to unwrap this.
And we got to hang our banner back up too, because it goes against that back wall.
Yes, we do.
And we got something else to hang up there.
We do. We have
Ta-da!
the award from Saturday. First place, People's Choice.
Yep. Which we're gonna have engraved.
Yeah, I think we may have gotten second or third place, Judge's Choice.
From what she was saying, we were like just a couple of points off from,
Yes.
from second, well, from winning from winning the ribs and the secondary meat. So.
We did good, and thanks to Sewell's Barbecue Rubs or Sewell's Barbecue from Fairhope.
Yep, and thanks to Jason.
Yes, thanks to Mr. Jason Sparkman for helping.
And everybody else who was there helping.
And Jody Lynn
Jody.
and Jeremy and everybody.
Yeah.
We did good.
We did good.
Those are some of the best ribs we've ever made.
Mm-hmm. We made a lot of money for the post.
We did. We made a lot of money for the VFW. Our tip jar was overflowing with 20s.
That's how you win people choice. So.
Yeah, that's how you win people's choice. All the money goes to the VFW. It was worth the cause. It was an amazing day.
It was a busy day.
And apparently our ribs be rocking.
Yeah, we're gonna have that engraved with People's Choice 2024.
Yeah.
Whatever date that
And
was.
maybe our logo. We don't know.
Yeah, maybe the logo on the bottom. So yeah.
Maybe VFW logo.
I
We
think we
don't
need
know.
to burn it. I think we need to like torch it. You know.
Yeah, you know.
Put a little torch.
I think we need to serve pork belly burn ends on it because it looks like a pig.
Yep.
Anyway, y'all, if you have a friendly neighborhood or VFW or American Legion post or Eagles or whatever cook-off, compete in it. There's not much chance to win a lot of money, but it doesn't matter because the money all goes to a worthy cause, and we showed up and showed out.
Yep, this is
Ain't
Monday,
gonna lie.
by the way. We're finishing this up on a Monday because
Because we were both dead yesterday.
we were tired yesterday. I hurt my knee, and then Sunday night when we were going to finish, we went to a friend's house to watch Alabama, Georgia.
Saturday night.
Saturday night, yeah.
Yep, Saturday night. We've got some upcoming episodes that are going to be pretty cool.
Yeah.
We like doing these little cook-offs because it's fun. We had a great time. We had help we didn't use. Sorry, Jason. With that being said,
Yay!
we got a nice pig.
Move your little. Yeah, there you
We got a
go.
nice pig. First place, people's choice.
Mediocre, not just mediocre.
Mama.
You already told me good evening. We're just coming back. Don't say that again. Why are you gonna punch me in the head? Because the camera wasn't on?
Yeah.
Are you through fidgeting?
I'm gonna lick the spatula. I'm gonna lick the silicone spatula. I'm gonna put these onions back here. Back here so I can turn around and go get the onions.
Do that again. How did it go? How did you go? I must sit on the bar stool or what? Anyway. Go.
All right, y'all, it's time. Sorry. We forgot to put in here?
What?
Peckers and snouts.
Jesus. I'm gonna get another shot.